Hello guys, this is Asians Adventures and Travel again at dadalhin ko po ngayon sa Nordeg, Alberta, Canada where you can see the Rocky Mountains. Ayan guys, the town site of Nordeg lies along the David Thompson Highway 11, 90 kilometers west of the town of Rocky Mountain House, Alberta. It is located in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. Nordeg is only a 3-hour drive from both Edmonton and Calgary, yet far removed from the hectic lifestyle associated with both urban centers. Much of this area is wild and untouched and unbelievably beautiful. Nordeg was once a booming coal town, and the early history of the town and area can be experienced at the Nordeg Heritage Center and Brazeau Collieries, one of Canada's most complete industrial museums. Nearby, lakes, rivers, streams, forests, and mountains offer opportunities for recreational activity and adventure. Activities in and around Nordeg include hiking, biking, equestrian rides, backcountry adventure and survival camps, river kayaking, ice climbing, snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, big game hunting, fishing, canoeing, snowmobiling, and OHV riding, to name a few. Around the town site, there are Long Lake and Carp Lake. Just a few kilometers down the road are Fish Lake and Gold Eye Lake, both with developed camping facilities. There are numerous stock fish farms in the area. There are eco-friendly bed and breakfast, rustic campgrounds, hotels, waterfalls, and wildlife. Nordeg is home of the Rockies' first Via Ferrata, or Iron Ladder, which scales a 600-foot cliff overlooking Alberta's largest and most beautiful man-made lake, and that is the 33 kilometers long Abraham Lake. In the winter, it is famous for the spectacular methane ice bubbles it produces. Nordeg has a quaint historic 9-hole golf course that presents breathtaking views of the mountains to the west. So guys, enjoy the view. Ang ganda guys, di ba? Tignan ninyo, super. And if you were really here with me, it's a breathtaking view that you gonna like it. Very peaceful, and it's my anti-stress reliever, guys. Nordeg itself is just a small town with a permanent population of close to 100. It's the location that truly matters, surrounded by wild country, rivers, and a backdrop of the Canadian Rockies. There's no shortage of outdoor adventures pursuits. Nordeg got its start due to coal mining. It was back in 1907 when Martin Cohn, who later changed his last name to Nordeg, staked claims on coal deposits in the area. This led to the creation of the town of Nordeg and a thriving community of close to 2,500 people, which was also one of the first planned towns in Alberta. Due to Martin's German background, however, combined with World War I, he was eventually kicked out of the company and out of the country. In 1942, the mine was one of the top coal-producing mines in the province. It also had its fair share of disasters, such as an explosion in 1941 that killed 29 miners. As the coal markets declined and steam locomotives became powered by diesel instead, the mine closed permanently in 1955. Nordeg is now mostly home to summer vacationers. That is just a short story of Nordeg, guys. How to get to Nordeg? For those who want to come and visit Nordeg, the best way to get to Nordeg is by driving your own vehicle. While some tours may come through here, it's not really a place you can visit by bus. The closest city is nearby Rocky Mountain House, but the closest major city would be Red Deer. This area is very popular with local from Red Deer, Calgary, and Edmonton. Yes guys, there's no public bus going into this place. Maliban na lang po kapag kasama po kayo sa tour bus. And from Calgary, going to Nordeg, the drive from Calgary to Nordeg is approximately 300 kilometers and takes just over 3 hours. The quickest route is to take Highway 2 towards Red Deer, taking a turn around Innisfail towards Sylvan Lake, and then taking Highway 11 west. However, if you don't mind adding a whopping 10 minutes to your drive and are extending your vacation, you could take the Cowboy Trail as well, taking Highway 22 from Cochrane and up through Sundre and Caroline. Once in Rocky Mountain House, you then head west on Highway 11. And if you are from Edmonton and going to Nordeg, the drive from Edmonton to Nordeg is about the same distance as coming from Calgary. The drive is about 300 kilometers in length and takes around 3 hours. The quickest route is to head towards Red Deer and then taking Highway 12 west from Lacombe. And if you're coming from Banff, the drive from Banff to Nordeg is approximately 230 kilometers and takes around 2 hours and 40 minutes. However, you'll likely want to add some time as you'll be driving through some of Canada's most epic scenery. First, you'll take the Icefield Parkway from Banff to Jasper, but at a halfway point approximately, you'll take Highway 11 east at the Saskatchewan River crossing. When was the best time to visit Nordeg? Nordeg is a great year-round destination. The most popular time to visit is during the warmer months from the summer to the fall. This is when the weather is at its best and many of the activities and attractions are open. This is when people go hiking, fishing, horseback riding, golfing, camping, and more. The spring can also be good, but it can be very rainy. The winter, on the other hand, is also a popular time to visit, as this is when people go snowshoeing, ice fishing, and admire the frozen bubbles in Abraham Lake. I'm sharing this video to everyone so that you can see the beauty of Canada, and especially to my relatives and friends who can't come to Canada. This is for you guys, and to all my supporters, thank you very much for your moral support. Salamat po sa pagsama ninyo sa aking adventure, and I hope you get some informations on my video, and I'm looking forward na supportahan nyo ako lagi. Thank you!